Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. So, children, today we are going to start new topic today, measurements. Okay, measurements, and I'm sure you have learned measurements in your class 3. Yes. Do you remember?
Yes.
Measurement. We have length, weight, and capacity. See, we will measure length. We will measure weight, then capacity. So, children, if you want to measure distance. Length. What units you will use? Do you remember? How you will
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Very good. Kilometer. Like that we have meter. Small distance we can like small measure, that is centimeter, and millimeter. Millimeter. Okay. So you know that length can be measured using kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. So children, from your school to your home, how you will measure? By which unit?
Kilometer.
Kilometer. Kilometer. And your height, how we can measure your height?
Meter.
Meter. Meter. And children, your book and all you can measure using your centimeter. Okay, so you know that. And weight. Weight,
Kilogram.
how we can measure? Kilogram. Yes, kilogram.
Gram.
Gram. Milligram. Milligram. So your weight, how you will measure?
Kilogram.
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 And you know how many kilogram you have? Your weight.
25.
So Andrea is 25. Is there anyone?
7.
24. 24. Is there anyone more than that? 30? More than 30?
34.
34. Okay, Yashika is 34. What about Asher? What's your weight? What's your weight? Huh? Huh? Not audible clearly. Okay, so you
Me, ma'am.
Can
you tell your weight?
My weight? No. Yes, maybe I'm bigger than you know, so it may be 60 or 58 like that. Okay. So children, you know that's kilogram. And children, how you'll measure your ring and all gold using kilogram?
Milligram.
No. Usual our very small earring and all we will use using milligram. Milligram. Sometimes gram. Okay. So then one more measurement, that is capacity. Your liquid items, you know, juice and all, we will measure using what?
Liter.
Liter.
Milliliter.
Milliliter. Then we have kiloliter also. Kiloliter also. Okay, so children, for example, if suppose if you have like cough, you will use cough medicine or cough syrup and all. How you will measure that? Milliliter. You have seen that small measuring, that cap is there between that bottle, no? In that cough syrup bottle, you will get along with that. There is a small measuring cup. So we will use that measuring medicine. We will measure using ml, milliliter. And children, we can see like Pepsi bottle or mineral water and all what you are buying to drink. So that is always like 1 liter, 2 liter, or sometimes maybe half liter and all. And children, can you tell me in our swimming pool and all, how you will measure that water?
Kiloliter.
Kiloliter. Very good. Kiloliter. Okay. So children, we will now listen carefully. Don't write anything now. Just listen. Okay. Keep your books there. Okay. Anna Grace is going to show me something. Anna. So Anna Grace is going to show us something. Yes, Anna. How much liter this? Not clear. Not clear. Yes. Okay. Now, can you tell me how many liter this bottle?
750 milliliter.
750 ml. It's not 1 liter. Okay, it's not 1 liter. 750 ml. Okay, 750 ml. So children, now listen, I will write here. We are learning chapter 12, Measurements. Don't need to write, just listen. You all learned this in your class 3. We are going to just revise. So children, we have length. Length we will measure using the units kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, kilometer, meter, centimeter, and millimeter. And your weight you will measure using the
kilogram,
kilogram, gram, milligram. Then we have capacity.
liter, milliliter,
We have kilo, liter, liter, ml, milliliter also, ml. So kilometer, meter, centimeter, and milli mm. That's very small. You can see in your ruler 1 centimeter. No, children? And there will be some small lines between 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. You can see there are 10 small lines. So they represent millimeter. Then weight, kilogram, gram, and milligram. Capacity, kilo, liter, and ml. Okay, now children, let me see whether you remember the measure that units. 1 kilometer equal to dash meter. 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter.
1000 meter.
Yes, thousand meter. So 1 kilometer distance means that is 1000 meter. But what about 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter.
100.
Yes, Abhinav, very good. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. And children, you can see in your 1 centimeter is equal to dash
10
mm.
millimeter.
Huh?
10
10.
millimeter.
Very good, very good. See children, so look here, in length there are difference. This is you have to remember. Length, we have different units of length. Kilometer is the bigger unit, and 1 kilometer represents how many meter? 1000. It is 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here all different, but in capacity and weight we can remember easily. So children, here please check 1 kilogram. Some disturbance is there from where? Please check. If there is a disturbance, please mute your device. Okay. Children, 1 kilogram is equal to dash gram.
1000.
1000. Very good. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000. Here everything is 1000. There is no confusion. What about 1 gram dash milligram?
1000.
Here also it's 1000. So here children, for weight we have weight. Units of weight, kilogram and gram, milligram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. And what about capacity? 1 kiloliter equal to dash liter.
1000.
1000, yes. 1000 liter. 1000 liter. And what about 1 liter? Dash ml? Again 1000. Okay. 1000. So those who joined now, please be no need to take any books. Now we are learning measurements. So what we discussed different measurements: length, weight, and capacity. And we discussed what are the units of length. Units of length means kilometer, meter, and centimeter. We have millimeter also. Here children, all you have to remember, here everything is different. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. And for here 1 kilogram and gram, all here we have 1000 gram, 1000 milligram. And for capacity also, here capacity. There also we have kiloliter equal to 1000 liter and 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Very good. Now children, can you tell me which is bigger, kilometer or meter? Which is bigger unit?
Kilometer.
Kilometer, yes.
Kilometer.
Now, from Mala to here, our school, we will say 7 kilometer. That is bigger than meter. Kilometer is bigger. Now, children, so to convert, listen here. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So, can you tell me 2 kilometer is equal to how many? 2 kilometer.
2000.
Very good. 2 kilometer is equal to 2000. How will get 2 into 1000? 2 into 1000 meter means 2000 meter. And what about 5 kilometer? 5000. Okay. 5000 meter. Now children, look here. Kilometer is the bigger unit. Meter is the smaller unit. To convert larger unit is the kilometer, and here smaller unit is meter. So look here, to convert larger unit to smaller unit, what we have to do? Multiply by here we are multiplying by 1000, but here if you are changing larger unit, here it is 100. Here if you are doing, it is 10. So what you have to remember, children? To convert larger unit to smaller unit, what we will do? Multiply. What we have to do? Multiply. Okay. Now children, here again I will write it here again. So here kilometer, I have 3 kilometer is equal to how many meter? How many meter? 3000. So children, here to convert larger unit kilometer is larger to convert larger unit to smaller unit, what we have to do? We are multiplying. Multiply. Now children, here the same 3000 meter, if I am changing here, converting back, how many kilometer?
3 kilometer.
Yes, very good. Look here, 3 kilometer is 3000 meter. If I am starting with the 3000 meter, the answer is 3 kilometer. Now children, here meter is a smaller unit. So meter is smaller, kilometer is big. So converting smaller unit to the opposite, smaller unit to bigger unit or larger unit, what we will do? We here larger to small, multiply. Smaller to larger, divide. Very good. Divide. See children, 3000 meter, I will divide by 1000. Here 1000. So what will I do? To divide means easy method. I will cross out that 0. Remove the 0. Remove the 0. You got answer 3. So children, convert larger unit to smaller unit. What we have to do? Multiply. And convert smaller unit to larger unit, we should divide. So children, all these I think you have learned in your class 3. Class 3, length, weight, capacity. Now all of you please take out your math workbook, page number 68. Let me see who is getting faster. Let me see who is getting faster.
I took.
Yes, Dia, measurement, page number 68. Very good. So Dia, can you read question number 1 fast?
I took. Ma'am, which page number?
68. 68. Yes, Dia? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So read question number 1, measurement.
Meter is a unit of dash.
And now Diya is facing some network problem. Please, Siddhartha, please read louder. Louder, louder.
Millimeter is a unit for dash.
Millimeter is a unit of dash.
Length.
Length, very good. Length.
Option D.
Which option is correct? Which option is correct?
Option D. Page number.
Page number, I will write it here, 68. So children, we started with here one length, weight, capacity, measurement. So we are going to start here page number 68, math workbook. So Siddharth, millimeter is a unit of?
Length.
Length, option D. Very good, correct answer. Now, Anna Rose, can you read louder question number 2?
Kilogram is a unit of dash.
Kilogram is a unit
weight.
of weight. Yes, weight. Which option is correct?
Option A.
A, very good. Option A, kilogram is a weight, unit of weight. Ameya, next question number 3, Ameya.
Liter is a unit of dash.
Liter is a unit of? Yes?
Capacity.
Capacity. Liter is a unit of capacity. Can you give me option?
C.
Which option is C? Option C. So, liter is a unit of capacity. Option C. Anna Grace, question number 4.
2 kilometer.
2 kilometer is equal to dash meter.
2000 meter.
2000 meter. So which option is correct?
C.
Yes, option C is correct. Yes, children, are you getting the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, question number 5, Irene. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. 7 liter. Dash.
7 liter is equal to dash ml, milliliter. Yes?
70.
1 liter is equal to dash milliliter. Tell me that.
1000.
1000. 1 liter is equal to. We learned that already. Yes, 1 liter equal to 1000. So what about 7 liter?
10,000 milliliters.
7,000 ml. Okay. So can you give me which option is correct? Which option? 7,000
Option
ml.
C.
Option C. Option C. 7,000 ml, milliliter. Okay, so children, here we have to see what is the conversion. So 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter equal to 100, 1 centimeter is 10. So next question is, what is 4 centimeter? 4, Andrea, 4 centimeter equal to dash millimeter mm. 4 centimeter equal to dash millimeter.
40 mm.
40, very good. See children, why? Because 1 centimeter means only 10 millimeter. So what about 4 centimeter? 40 mm. So children, which option is correct here? Question number 6.
Option A.
Option A is correct. So 4 centimeter equal to 40 millimeter. And children, we discuss here how we can convert smaller unit to larger unit. Larger unit to smaller. What we have to do? Multiply. Smaller to larger. What we should do? Divide. Okay. So next question here. Muhammad Ayan, can you read question number 7?
To convert measures from a smaller unit to a larger unit.
Smaller unit to larger unit. What we have to do? Smaller unit to
Divide.
Divide. Very good. See children here. We discussed already smaller unit, that is here meter. To convert kilometer, what we should do? We have to divide. Very good. So children here option question number 7 we have to write. There is no option given. You have to write divide. Okay. Question number 7. To convert smaller unit to larger unit, we should divide. Question number 8. Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 8.
To convert measures from a larger unit to a smaller unit, we dash. Multiply.
Multiply. Very good. The opposite here. From larger unit to smaller unit, we should multiply. Okay, children? Only we will do question till question number 8 today, then we will discuss. So what we have learned today, we started the new topic, measurement. And what are the different measurements we learned? Length, weight, capacity. And what are the units of length? Kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. And which is the bigger unit here for measuring length?
Ma'am, what is kilometer? Kilometer. Ma'am, what is 8?
Question number 8. What is that? Multiply. Question number 8. Okay, so children, we were so which is the bigger unit of length here? Bigger unit? Kilometer. Okay, very good. Kilometer. And children, weight. What are the different units here? Kilogram, gram, milligram. And what are the units of capacity? Kiloliter, liter and milliliter. Then children, what we discussed here, 1 kilometer. This you have to remember. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Then we discuss what are the units of weight. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Then capacity 1 kiloliter equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. Then what we discussed, to convert larger unit to smaller unit, we should multiply. Larger to smaller, we have to multiply. And from smaller unit to larger unit, what we have to do? Divide. Okay, clear? So children, all of you please take out your rough book. Rough book. Rough book. Write the heading, children. Measurement. Measurement. Then write length, weight, and capacity. Children, by the time I'll take your attendance.
No, ma'am. Yes. No, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the units of
Ma'am, I complete.
length? What are the okay, children? Length. What are the units of length? Kilometer, centimeter, and millimeter. And what are the units of weight? Kilogram, gram, milligram.
Gram, milligram.
And what are the units of capacity? Milliliter. And children, I will send the notes in the group. Please complete in your math notebook. Okay, children?
Could you share the screen one more time?
Okay, children, I will send these notes in the group. So you can complete in your math notebook, and we will continue with the next class. Okay, children, the math workbook questions we will continue in the next class. Okay, children, bye-bye.
Bye.